Imagine a world where the darkness of vision loss begins to recede, replaced by the faint, then clearer, outlines of light and form. For millions, this is not just a dream, but a rapidly approaching reality, thanks to the groundbreaking advancements in synthetic retina implants. These bioelectronic marvels are redefining what's possible, offering a beacon of hope and a pathway to restored sight. Our eyes are incredible instruments, and at their core lies the retina, a delicate, light-sensitive tissue lining the back of the eye. It's here that specialized cells, called photoreceptors, rods and cones, capture light and convert it into electrical signals. These signals are then transmitted through the optic nerve to the brain, where they are interpreted as the images we see. However, certain conditions, such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and retinitis pigmentosa, RP, can severely damage these vital photoreceptor cells. This damage leads to progressive and often irreversible vision loss, profoundly impacting daily life. For those affected, the world can become a blur or even disappear into complete darkness, making simple tasks incredibly challenging. The impact of severe vision loss extends far beyond the inability to see. It affects independence, mental well-being, and connection to the world. Traditional treatments often slow progression but cannot restore lost vision. This pressing need has driven scientists and engineers to explore revolutionary solutions, leading to the development of synthetic retina implants. These devices aim to bypass damaged cells and directly stimulate the remaining healthy retinal neurons, offering a new lease on visual life. For medical professionals, understanding the nuances of these conditions and the limitations of current therapies is crucial. For researchers, the challenge lies in mimicking the retina's intricate biological processes with artificial components. And for individuals living with vision impairment, these implants represent a profound hope for regaining a sense of sight and independence. Synthetic retina implants are sophisticated bioelectronic devices designed to restore vision by mimicking the function of natural photoreceptor cells. They act as a bridge, translating light into electrical signals that the brain can interpret. While complex, their core functionality can be broken down into key components, each playing a vital role in the restoration of visual perception. These implants come in various forms, with the choice depending on the patient's specific needs, the severity of their vision loss, and surgical considerations. Each design represents a unique approach to solving the intricate challenge of vision restoration, pushing the boundaries of what was once thought impossible. At the heart of every synthetic retina implant is an electronic sensor array. This component is meticulously designed to capture external visual data, much like a digital camera sensor. When light enters the eye, it falls upon this array, which is composed of thousands of tiny photodiodes or phototransistors. Each of these microscopic sensors acts as a pixel, detecting the intensity and wavelength of the incoming light. Upon detection, the sensor array converts this light energy into precise electrical signals. This process is akin to translating the continuous flow of light into a digital language that the implant can process. For patients, this means the implant is actively seeing the world around them, preparing to send that information to their brain. For researchers, the challenge lies in maximizing resolution and light sensitivity, while minimizing power consumption. Once the light is converted into electrical signals by the sensor array, these signals must be transmitted to the brain in a way it can understand. This is where the neural interface comes into play. This critical component is responsible for stimulating the remaining healthy retinal neurons, particularly the ganglion cells, which are the gateway to the optic nerve. The electrical signals from the sensor array are carefully modulated and delivered to these neurons through an array of microelectrodes. The precision of this stimulation is paramount, The goal is to activate the neurons in a pattern that closely mimics the natural signals generated by a healthy retina. This allows the brain to interpret these artificial signals as visual information. For medical professionals, understanding the optimal placement and stimulation parameters is key to successful outcomes. For patients, this interface is the direct link between the implant's sight and their brain's perception. The ultimate goal of synthetic retina implants is to replace damaged photoreceptor cells and restore visual perception. This involves more than just converting light to electricity. It's about replicating the complex processing that occurs in a healthy retina. The implant's internal circuitry processes the raw electrical signals, enhancing contrast, detecting edges, and organizing information before it's sent to the neural interface. By mimicking natural retinal function, these devices aim to provide the brain with meaningful visual input. While the restored vision may not be identical to natural sight, it can enable patients to perceive light, detect movement, recognize shapes, and even read large print. This restoration of functional vision can dramatically improve quality of life, offering renewed independence and connection to the visual world. The field of synthetic retina implants is one of rapid innovation, with researchers constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Recent breakthroughs have focused on improving implant design, material science, and the range of conditions that can be addressed. These advancements are bringing us closer to more effective, durable, and widely accessible vision restoration solutions. Each new development represents a significant step forward, building upon previous knowledge and addressing the complex challenges of integrating artificial devices with delicate biological systems. These innovations are not just theoretical. Many are moving through rigorous clinical trials, demonstrating tangible improvements in patients' lives. One of the most significant advancements has been the development of flexible implants. Traditional, rigid implants could potentially cause mechanical stress or damage to the delicate, curved retinal tissue over time. Researchers have now engineered soft retinal prostheses that combine flexible, ultra-thin phototransistor arrays with stimulation electrodes made from soft, biocompatible materials, such as liquid metal alloys. These flexible designs are engineered to better match the natural curvature of the eye and minimize the risk of tissue damage. Their pliability allows for a more intimate and stable interface with the retina, potentially leading to more consistent and long-lasting visual outcomes. For surgeons, these implants offer easier placement and reduced post-operative complications. For patients, this means a more comfortable and potentially safer long-term solution. Another groundbreaking innovation is the nanowire prosthesis, a revolutionary device made of tellurium nanowires. These incredibly tiny structures possess unique properties that allow them to efficiently convert light into electrical signals across a broad spectrum. This technology has shown remarkable promise in restoring partial vision in blind mice models, demonstrating its fundamental efficacy. Crucially, the nanowire prosthesis can detect light beyond the visible spectrum, extending into the near-infrared range. This capability opens up exciting possibilities, such as enhanced vision in low-light conditions, or even specialized applications for night vision. The successful demonstration of near-infrared light detection in primates highlights its potential for human application, offering a new dimension to restored sight. The Prima implant, developed by Pixium Vision, represents a significant leap forward, particularly for individuals blinded by dry age-related macular degeneration. This device is a wireless subretinal photovoltaic microchip. Its subretinal placement means it sits directly beneath the retina, in close proximity to the remaining healthy neurons. What makes Prima truly innovative is its wireless nature and photovoltaic power source. It utilizes a near-infrared light source, typically from external glasses, to power the implant. This light penetrates the eye and is converted into electrical energy by the microchip, eliminating the need for internal batteries or wires. Clinical trials have shown significantly improved visual acuity in patients, enabling them to read letters and recognize faces, marking a profound improvement in their daily lives. The development of synthetic retina implants is a collaborative effort involving leading academic institutions, innovative companies, and dedicated research teams worldwide. These organizations are at the forefront of scientific discovery and technological advancement, driving the field forward with their expertise and resources. Their commitment is vital to translating groundbreaking research into practical, life-changing solutions. For medical professionals and researchers, understanding who is leading these efforts provides valuable insight into the future direction of the field. For patients, knowing that world-class experts are dedicated to this cause offers immense reassurance and hope. A prime example of this pioneering work is the Stanford Artificial Retina Project. This ambitious initiative is dedicated to developing an electronic implant that aims to restore vision by closely mimicking normal retinal function. Their approach focuses on creating highly sophisticated devices that can integrate seamlessly with the eye's natural neural pathways, striving for vision that is as close to natural as possible. The project brings together experts from diverse fields, including neuroscience, electrical engineering, materials science, and ophthalmology. Their interdisciplinary approach allows for comprehensive research, addressing both the technological challenges of implant design and the biological complexities of neural integration. Their work is a testament to the power of collaborative innovation in tackling complex medical challenges. The journey of synthetic retina implants is far from over. It is a dynamic and evolving field brimming with potential. The future promises even more refined devices, offering higher resolution, broader visual fields, and more natural perception. Researchers are exploring advanced materials, sophisticated algorithms for signal processing, and novel surgical techniques to further enhance outcomes. Imagine implants that can adapt to changing light conditions with greater precision, or devices that can be implanted with minimally invasive procedures. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning could further optimize visual processing, allowing for even more nuanced and personalized vision restoration. The goal is not just to restore sight, but to restore a quality of sight that empowers individuals to live full, independent, and visually rich lives. The promise of synthetic retina implants is immense, offering a profound transformation for individuals living with severe vision loss. If you are a medical professional, we encourage you to delve deeper into these technologies, understand their potential, and consider how they might integrate into future patient care. Your expertise is crucial in bringing these innovations to those who need them most. For researchers, your continued dedication to pushing the boundaries of science and engineering is paramount. Support for ongoing research, collaboration across disciplines, and the pursuit of novel solutions will accelerate the pace of discovery. Your work is literally illuminating the path forward. And for individuals living with vision impairment, or their loved ones, we urge you to stay informed, engage with patient advocacy groups, and discuss these advancements with your healthcare providers. Hope is not just a concept. It is being built pixel by pixel by dedicated minds around the world. Share this knowledge, advocate for research, and let us collectively champion a future where the gift of sight is restored. Together, we can turn the promise of synthetic retina implants into a widespread reality. Hey, if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.